Hello, my friend. It is Noelle here, and today I want to have a real and honest conversation about what is happening right now in the 2026 economy. I literally used to work in subprime mortgages. That job that I talk about that led me to my parents' basement in 2008 when I was flipping houses. Yeah, I was an underwriter at a subprime mortgage company. So I can see so many things from that era that are happening right now. And I'm going to share with you some real information and some real data that people just do not know. If you have been watching the stock market break records and wondering to yourself, is this real or is this a trap? You need to watch this entire video. I am going to show you the exact dominoes falling behind the scenes, why tech companies are building a $2 trillion debt tower on paper promises, and most importantly, how you can protect your family and build generational wealth from what's about to happen. I'm going to share it all with you. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that, yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that, let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. I also want to teach you how to get business credit. So I have a free class that you can go to. Register right now at noellsfreeclass.com right now. All right, let me get into this. Now, let's go back for a second. Everyone remembers 2008 when the housing market crashed and Lehman Brothers went under. But almost nobody pays attention to 2006. In 2006, home prices didn't crash. They were at record highs. But what changed was the speed of growth. Instead of prices jumping 15% a year, they only went up 8%. And because those subprime 228 ARM mortgage loans relied on crazy price jumps to constantly refinance old loans, the second the growth slowed down, the whole ladder broke. And you see, what people did not understand about the subprime mortgage and housing crash was that those ARM loans were never to be paid off. They were to be replaced. And guess what, my friend? Wall Street just built the exact same machine today. Whoa, quick time out. You need to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Most people watching are not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe. It's free. Go. All right, let me get back to this. Look at what is happening in tech right now. AI companies are valued at hundreds of billions of dollars, some reaching almost $1 trillion, while losing tens of billions of dollars every single year. So, how do they pay their bills if they are losing money every single year? The answer? By raising new money at higher and higher valuations. It's the exact same refinancing ladder that I told you about with subprime mortgages. And here is the crazy part. While all of that is going on, big tech platforms have over $2.1 trillion in future promises on their books, and they are borrowing hundreds of billions of dollars in real debt against those promises. If those valuations slow down even a little bit, especially with cheap open source AI popping up around the world, that paper tower starts to shake. So here is the quick summary of what's going on right now in 2026. Number one, slower growth or slower acceleration can cause the bubble to start. Remember, in 2006, that was the indicator that growth was slowing down. Not that property prices were falling, but that the growth was slowing. That's number one. Number two, the AI funding chain. That funding chain is a mess. They're borrowing from each other and using future promises to create higher valuations, and those higher valuations gets them more investors. It's a crazy situation. And number three, we have outside competitors getting into AI. Cheap open source AI directly from China is undercutting the prices of the US investors and tech companies. So now we have Chinese competitors competing and taking away from the business of US. So now we are starting to see those tech and those AI profits really start to lower. So the key lesson is financial bubbles don't require prices or tech to fail completely. They break when the acceleration stops. Now, why am I telling you this? Am I telling you this to panic? Absolutely not. As real estate investors and business owners, we don't panic. we prepare. When paper assets and Wall Street promises get shaky, smart money always flows into real assets. Real estate that people actually live in, corporate housing that businesses rent, and physical properties that generate cash flow every 30 days. I invest in houses because houses have intrinsic value. People need a place to live in 2026 and beyond. So, how do you position yourself to win no matter what the economy does? Let me tell you my 3-step strategy. Number 1, get out of pure paper promises. Stop relying 100% on stock market hype or paper IOUs. Know what you own and make sure your wealth is backed by tangible assets. Number 2, leverage business credit, not your personal savings. Set up your business properly. Get your LLC, business bank account, and EIN in order. I want you to acquire 0% interest business credit cards and business lines of credit so you are using bank money to fund your deals instead of draining your personal emergency fund. That's how smart people invest. And number 3, acquire cash flowing real estate. Once you get business credit and business funding, put that capital into income producing properties, whether it's short-term rentals, corporate housing, or multifamily properties. Focus on cash flow, not just speculative appreciation. My friend, the market gives us clues. And the people who take action before the crowd realizes what's actually happening are the ones who create true financial freedom for their families. If you want to learn step by step how to set up your business the right way, get approved for $50,000 to $100,000 in business credit at 0% interest, and use that credit to buy cash flowing real estate without using your own cash or personal credit, I have a completely free training for you. Go to noellsfreeclass.com right now and register. This is an actual live class that I'm doing. It is just 1 hour of your time where I will teach you the full strategy so that you can execute. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you register for this class. Go there right now, noellsfreeclass.com. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success. Hey, I love that. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Go ahead and please subscribe. Most people that watch my videos are not actually subscribed, so please go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Go ahead. Help me help you. Subscribe.